Today we're here to talk about the Reveal power tables with the daisy chain setup and the assembly process to put everything together. Okay, as we get started, we want to check out our cables a little bit and describe these for you folks. As you've received your orders, we want you to check a few things. Look for your interconnecting cables. Generally, they're going to be about 108 inches long. We do custom sizes from 1 foot to 15 feet. The interconnecting cable takes you from one set of tables to another when the table's not jointly attached to each other. So if you need to do a gap or have a space in your setup, this will get you to the next table to allow your power to continue to flow. You have a little 12-inch adapter that's meant to connect into the in-feed cable that helps you make that connection. You've got an in-feed cable right here which has this plug on it that goes to a 110 outlet for the wall. So again, we'll talk about it in a little bit, but this connector goes into here and connects into another cable and goes into the wall. Then you have your standard power cables underneath the table that connect to the power outlets under each table by itself. Okay, what we've done here is we've applied our cables up under the tables and we've put them into the little retainer clips. The thing to notice about these cables is you have different color plugs and you have male and female ends, and so you want to connect color to color. So if you look on the male side here, you've got the yellow, the black, the red, and the green in a certain location. Match that up, click it into place. Both sides will ensure that you are running power into this receptacle and down the line as you go further down the line. But again, you can secure them in these channels so that keeps the wire management up tight against the table, and that's how you begin to connect into the power. Next, you have your in-feed cable, which has a connector that connects into the daisy chain system under the table, and then you have your 110 power outlet plug. So you can connect this in color to color, then grab your end and go straight to the wall with it. Once that's in, your whole line now is powered and ready to go.